This is Rachel. She's currently in Year 8 at a regional public school in New South Wales. As with most kids her age, she has no idea what she wants to do when she leaves high school. In fact, many high school leavers are still unsure of what they want to do after they finish high school. Rachel has heard of the job engineer tossed around before, but she has absolutely no idea what it means, so there's no way she'll consider it as a proper career path. Typically, kids like Rachel, who have had limited to no awareness of what engineering entails, will go on to leave high school and do something other than engineering, crossing out a potentially great career path. Because she goes to a public school, the limited funding is usually not allocated to really expensive electronic or robotic learning kits, which are best suited for introducing the fundamentals of engineering to kids. This is where our initiative comes in. We're introducing an affordable robotics learning platform aimed at the junior high school student in an Australian public school. The goal of this learning platform is to introduce engineering fundamentals to these students, exposing them to the basics of engineering so that they can consider it as a career path. Our initiative would bring low-cost robotics in different forms, such as a kit for a robotic arm or a kit for a small robotic dog. The cost is kept low as the design is managed by volunteer university students, with the manufacturing and distribution of these kits kept as not-for-profit. This means that when schools or students purchase these kits, they are purely paying for the price of the components inside that kit. The fact that these kits are designed and managed by university students means that there are educational outcomes not only for the users of this product, which are the kids, but also for the university students when they design and manage such a product.
These will be sold to schools as kits or distributed for free as instructions, with parts able to be sourced from local J-Car stores around Australia. There will be an easy-to-use compatible software package that utilizes block programming techniques for students to be able to pick up easily. On top of that, we will have in-depth instructions on using the kits and explain a video series on how each of the components work for interested students. Now let's say Rachel's school has obtained one of our kits for use in the classroom. There comes a robotic arm kit with all the parts ready to be put together and programmed. She follows the instructions provided and manages to assemble the kit. After following the programming instructions and using the easy-to-use block programming software, she begins to program the robot arm to perform different motions. She's intrigued by how she can make it move. She's interested in how these things can work, so she watches the explainer videos that her teacher has linked from our website. After being exposed to this engineering kit, Rachel's mind has been opened to the possibility of a career in engineering. The project has encouraged her to conduct further research into engineering so that she can make an informed decision about her future. This project has also invited Rachel to consider more advanced engineering projects to engage with in the future, including programming and soldering. Rachel has found a new passion and appreciation for engineering and now has a spark of curiosity to understand how things work. She feels confident in her future as an engineer, something she never would have considered if not for our intuitive, low-cost kit.